Well, we're out here at it again. Got us a few holes going, a little bit of screening, a little bit of digging. This is what it looks like so far. Got George with us here and Outlaw Ricky.
Show him the tip of his beard point.
And let's see, we got something in the screen.
It's just a flake.
Just a flake.
You know what?
It's long and wreathed.
We might have another meteorite, y'all.
Ricky, what have you found over there?
A meteorite, I promise. And a bunch of clay and a bunch of pottery. But hey, this just like I'm gonna check it in a minute. I got a manual.
It's flat.
We've been out here all morning trying to move a little dirt, and I think I just came across our first point.
A beard point.
I'm gonna zoom in on it and see if you can pick it out. Nice little red on it. Let's examine it up close.
Oh yeah, that is pretty. Here, let me wipe it off.
That's why you scream.
Oh, that is beautiful,
How
buddy.
about that one?
Okay, you can see look at that. Man, that's so thin. Gee.
Clean it up for you here.
Serrated.
That's a keeper there, brother. That's why you do this, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How deep was it,
All I had
Sean?
to do was talk bad about it.
Look how pretty that is,
Did we
man.
knock a corner off of it?
No, that's how it is. Well, you may be on that one. I don't know. Maybe so. Was that a
Okay, we've moved a little more dirt, did a little more screening, and I think we've uncovered another artifact here. Or should I say relic?
No, hard to
George is gonna uncover it. Ooh, is it whole?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Flipper, George, one time.
Wow, wow.
Ooh, she's beautiful, ain't she? Red rock.
Another little, the base has got that little indention in it.
Give us a side view of it. Let's see how thin it is right there. Right there. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. Man. We said, or George said, they'd be by the big pine tree. And the closer we get, they're showing up.
Well, why?
It ain't got nothing to do with the pine tree. It's the top of the hill.
Oh yeah.
I sound funny on radio.
All right, we're over here with Ricky. He's found something in the dirt. Let's see what he's got. Come on, Ricky, uncover it for us. Nice little point, missing the tip. Oh yeah. Give us a side view of it.
I wonder if it was an airhead.
That's a dark point.
How
Dark
deep
point.
was that, Ricky?
I really don't know. It could have been around a foot, probably.
He's down into some roots. He's working hard. He's doing good though.
There you go. That's what I like to hear.
Nice one, Ricky.
Thank you, thank you.
Nice.
Blind
Yeah.
hog found an acre. What we got, Ricky?
I got a very thin dart point. It one barb looks like it's broke on one side, but other than that, boy, it would be a good one. It still is a good one. You know, it's an artifact.
That's a long,
Well,
Over here in
long shank on it, or whatever.
yeah,
Man, look how long that is.
way up under the roots of this pine tree. Starting to produce a little bit.
Nice one, Ricky.
Yeah, man, I'd mount it.
All right, we've got another one here to uncover.
Oh, really? You done so. Where's
Let's
my
see
at
if
now
he
doing
can
all this?
ever so gently find it. Seeing sunlight for the first time.
In over 1,000 years, or 2, or 3, or 4. Ooh, that's just different, huh?